Rocky. Guys,
Okay, sorry.
guys,
Clear.
dari itu dia clear dulu.
Welcome back, Glam Team. We're back with the same person. But this time we are apartment shopping. So, yeah, we are so excited. We plan on moving together. Oh my God. So, yeah. We're in our first apartment. Right now, you know, it's a big step, you know. It's a big step. We're growing up. So, right about time. The building is so cute. I can't show y'all the building, but the buildings behind me are so cute, you know. Just in case we move here, privacy reasons. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we get settled in and start showing the house. Guys, we're on the rooftop. It is so pretty, y'all. Yeah, look at the view. This is so pretty. Son. Yeah, look at the view. I want to see the other side. Look at the pool though. Oh my God. Like what? Imagine me right here. Yeah, this view is crazy. Imagine we take pictures up here, y'all. Oh my God. This view is ridiculous. Like, so pretty. And still more view. This is so pretty.
I like it over here because it's quiet. So like if you want to get away from like pool and stuff, you just come over here and kind of look at everything.
So pretty.
So they're not like noise canceling, but you and your neighbor, whoever the other units are, we have concrete walls in between them, so they are pretty good about blocking out noise. So like mostly that. So even if the maintenance has to come to your apartment, we call you and let you know, hey, we're coming to your apartment.
Look, Alex, the ice maker you're talking about.
Yeah, they're all going to be the unfinished concrete ceiling.
So are they gonna come in?
I didn't like that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Ooh, the balcony. CPT.
Can you go out here or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope I ain't messing it up.
And what's nice is they all come with their own bathroom. So in every bedroom, as you'll see in there, is going to be just like this house. It's going to be bedroom, bathroom.
Oh, that's the shower that we seen. So that's one room right here. That's outside, Alex. I think that's outside. Oh. So all the rooms are like the same size?
Yep.
Okay. Look at me. CPTV.
Like, it comes with it with the rent?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ain't there one with a tub, right?
Yeah, I think this is the one.
Yeah, that one's got a tub.
I'm gonna see the tub.
Well, they all have like little
Ooh, I like the tub. The tub is
That
cute.
will be me.
This is the third room. No, they're the same size, actually.
Yeah, but this one has a balcony. That's one with the balcony? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's the one that my daughter wanted. So, guys, we're in the second apartment. The first apartment, like, bro, catfishy. It made us catfish ass apartment, bro. Like, ugh.
Exactly.
We had hope.
And you want me to go from my big ass room to that small ass room?
Exactly.
Hell, no,
It was small. It was
Diana room is bigger than
exactly. Don't come from my room, first of all, sweetheart.
Diana room is fucking
You know why then It's so because all them little fucking corners they got and shit. Like just cut that wall off.
Exactly. Yeah, we're in the next apartment, and that was our feedback on the first apartment. And
This bit better be low.
yeah, we'll hit you guys up on the second apartment when we doing a little tour. This is the view, guys. I like the view. 5 stories not that small, actually. I thought it was gonna be short. And this is the washer and dryer. This is the bathroom to this one. I like this. The bathtub. And it goes to the room. This is a room. Girl, you scared me. See, now this is a walk-in bathroom. See?
Yeah.
I said walk-in bathroom, walk-in closet.
Like
This is
like I don't know what the
exactly. I don't know what the hell the other one. So that's mean a guest could go in your bathroom. Oh yeah. See, look at the closet. Now that's a walk-in closet.
That's a walk-in closet.
No, that's what you call a size for room. Like,
Exactly. The other one was a dorm.
Oh, this is the living room.
The
Oh, the
living
other
room.
room is this way.
This is good. I like this.
Oh, there's the other room.
Ooh, look at that closet. See, I could walk in here. The other one I couldn't even walk in. Ooh.
like see you got what you corner, but
It's
like now
like
like going to
closet. The other bedroom has a closet and another closet. So this one has a bathroom closet.
And I like,
yeah.
well, this one have 2 closets then.
Like wait, what she said was the difference with the 3 bathroom? Or it's just a 3 bathroom?
The 3 bathrooms. Yeah.
Look at the view.
The standard one only has 2 bathrooms? 3?
It has 2.
Oh, okay.
What's the other room? Over there?
Yeah, it's over here. I thought that was my room.
Girl, psych. My room. When I walk in. I like
to have
this.
a walk-in closet.
Ooh, I like. See, now this is what you call a room.
I know, but they don't have any penthouses available right now.
Because people are running in out for 15 months, which is the one that we want to do.
Yeah.
This closet small. If I can close that, that's it. Oh, let's go hard that. Oh no, it do got closet right there. I need to be talking shit, trying to get the room.
This can't compare. Okay.
Can we get this one?
This cannot compare. Like.
Cannot like.
So this one will be available once.
Bro, this was, you can't even see us. Let me go on this side.
That
Bro,
apartment.
the apartment was it.
Yeah.
It had real walk-in closets, as you can see in the video.
Even both units too. The 3 bedrooms,
Exactly.
standard, and the penthouse. Bro,
Bro, that's crazy. See, now that one, we give a 10, bro.
Yeah,
That's a 10.
That's crazy. No, that's not cafe. Right?
But all the people gotta do the fucking 15
Man, I
months
see
deal,
why.
bro.
We're gonna do 15 months too.
Man, they tripping, man.
Bruh.
And they had 2 cars, so what about cars?
So I will see you guys when we go to our next apartment. Bye guys. We got my sister. We got the key to go see our apartment. Right here. Here, open the door.
Oh, they have bedroom the bedroom thingies too.
Please don't act like that, dude.
I'm sorry. Oh my god.
Let me try. I want to do this.
Different.
You got it. It's always this one. You got it.
Okay, sorry.
Maybe you gotta put a little bit.
No, it got is
Clear.
Daddy, you feel me? No.
Chica.
No.
Okay.
20 minutes later.
We tried to open somebody up. This has been
Like 2, 2, 3, 3.
okay, guys. House tour. Oh, T Hotel vibes. Okay. Ooh, I like this little thing. At least it's not green, guys. Well, we're gonna see the three. This bathroom big. Ooh, is the closet inside the bathroom for me? Ooh. This is what I want. This is big.
Holy shit.
I hope we got his and her sink.
I like this.
First, this is the 2-bedroom apartment we're looking at right now. This is the living room space. This is how big it is. This is the kitchen. Ooh, look at the cabinet. Fridge, ice maker, microwave. This is the second room. We're actually looking for a 3-bedroom, but this is cute.
Look at the bathtub.
Ooh,
Now that's a walk-in closet.
exactly.
Yeah.
Put your shoes right here, purse, you know, luxury purse, you know.
You got that air breathing bitch? Just in case you make this TV.
20 in there, 20 in there, 20 in there, 20 in there. Does it got a view?
The view is the next, you know, the next thing.
I mean, you get to see people. I like this thing right here. Like, what is that? See? And it got a little drawer right here. I guess to computer desk or something. I mean, it's nice. I like it. I like the lights. So good. Ooh.
This would be considered the master bedroom, I think?
Bedroom. Ooh, about the same. This is the master's.
I thought you were still on the home.
No.
Is the bottom of the house this side?
Yeah, for this one.
Oh, okay, so if you
That's not bad. So somebody got bathroom. Oh, almost took your finger. So, which room don't have a bathroom?
They don't have bathroom.
Then where's the bathroom?
That's just a...
Oh, so there's 4 bathrooms.
4.
Tiny. There's 1 room without bathroom.
Yeah, you got that is all over there.
This room don't have a bathroom.
So that's his room.
Yeah, letting everybody know. Ghetto. That closet, no. The 2-bedroom is better. So now we walk into the 3rd one. We looked at the 2nd one. Huh? Oh, 4th one, my bad. And we just walking downtown. Looks so pretty. Oh my God, so pretty. The cars. And whew, I'm so tired. Like, that tree look cute. Bedroom.
The one on the 9th floor is open. We will have a kitchen off the side.
Doors.
The area where you can have like a dining room space and you have a kitchen side living room.
That bad. Look at that no one be. Yeah, no. The bathroom is a no for me. Ew. Oh, that's the kitchen. That's the kitchen. Let me go there. Ew.
And you send them a detailed person. You got a notebook,
Mm-hmm.
you got your pictures.
You gotta see.
You gotta
It gotta fit the description. What's the one she said that the room shared the bathroom, or is not this one?
You put it down. You put it on.
No, you put it on my face.
No,
Like,
I was like, this.
no, you went
I
like
was like,
this. You put it
you
up.
were sitting down and you put it in there. She was talking.
Bruh, if Madonna don't like something, she don't like it. She gonna.
What she gonna give a fuck?
She don't even sugarcoat her eyes or her mouth, her asking questions like,
So lost.
can I go nowhere with this girl?
I was about
But
to walk out. I was
this
like,
house, bro, I was gonna walk out too, but Alice kept saying, let's go see this. I'm like, bro, no. But that bill was negative. Like, Well, I'm in the car, as you can see, and I'm by myself. I dropped my sister and my cousin home. Well, I'm home now, so technically I just dropped my cousin home. So now I'm back home, and apartment shopping went well. We didn't find the perfect that matched our 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, except one that we found was perfect, but they at least run 15 months and stuff, and people be renting it out, and it's a penthouse, so hopefully we get this penthouse, you know, but we're not putting our heart on it because we're moving next year anyway, so, but we still searching, but we found one perfect one, you know, but the thing is it's not available like that, so, because it's like 15 months lease, but yeah, we're gonna keep searching. Like a lot of catfish apartments, and it's crazy, so I'm gonna post a part 2 soon, so just keep a lookout for that. And yeah, I hope you guys like this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.